Your job is about to disappear. Not in 10 years, in the next 2 to 5. And most professionals have no idea it's already happening. Companies are quietly replacing six-figure knowledge workers with AI systems that never sleep, never ask for raises, and get smarter every single day. If you earn your living through thinking, analyzing, or creating, whether you're a mid-career pro or just starting out and determined not to get left behind, your biggest threat is artificial intelligence. But here's what the smart ones are doing. They're not fighting AI, they're weaponizing it. They're turning it into their unfair advantage, multiplying output, protecting income, and creating roles AI can't touch. This channel exists for one reason: to give you the exact tools, prompting systems, and career strategies to stay ahead of AI instead of being replaced by it. Every week you'll get battle-tested tactics that real professionals use right now to 3 times productivity and build income that survives the automation wave. If you're determined to make AI your biggest career asset, hit subscribe and watch the next video. Your future self will thank you.